Good day. In this video I would like to show you how to install the TAKIT GPS Pro app and how to bind your product to the app. So firstly, we start off by opening the camera on your smart device. On the back of the box there is a QR code. This QR code will take you to a link where you can download the app. I have iOS, so by the iOS I just select it and it will open in the App Store. I already installed the app, so I'm going to open it, and instead of logging in, just below login on the right there's a tab New User. I select New User. It will then prompt me to open an account. So firstly what I want to do is I want to enter my email address. Let's use a fake one. And then a telephone number, and you select next. It will then email the verification code to your email address. After entering it, you can select next, and it will take you to a screen where you are able to add a watch. So I'm going to log in with my account and just show you how you can do it manually. It will be the same process automatically. Okay, so here I'm on my account. I have a couple of other devices already added, so I want to add a new one. So in the left top hand corner I select the plus icon, and on the box you have a QR code for the CID. You just hover over it and it will enter into to the screen where you can add the watch. Okay, so firstly you select the gender, then you can name the watch. This one I will name test 3, and then the area code or the country code. That's quite important. It won't go forward without the prefix. Then a telephone number, and you select next. Then your relationship to the user. I'm going to select daddy, and it will then also confirm that I'm now the administrator and the watch or the device will be active. Okay, to add more devices you just follow the same process. In the next video I will show you how to set up and use the TAKIT app.